welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zenchak. Please consider joining my family by hitting that subscribe button down below and clicking that little bell next to it so you can get notification each time I upload a new video. My channel is about DIY, natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on, join the family. To my old subscriber, hi family, thanks for coming back. So as you can tell from the title, I am doing a myth that I saw on YouTube that you can grow 1 to 2 inches of hair overnight doing this method. So I decided to give this a try, and I'm also thinking of starting a series that I can go out there, search for various things that people say you can use to grow your hair overnight, and then I will give it a try and present it to you guys. I seriously do not believe that you can grow 1 to 2 inches of hair just overnight, but nothing is impossible. You just have to believe, right? I am going to give this a try, and if you would love to see my result, then keep on watching. I pre-pull my hair with this VO5 conditioner, and I shampoo my hair with this VO5 shampoo. So right now my scalp is clean. When I'm done with the challenge, my hair will be wet to do the length check, so I decided to also just do the length check on wet hair. To get an accurate result or close to an accurate result, I have this tool section out. So I'm gonna wet my hair, and then I will do the length check, and I will braid this section up so that it don't get mixed up with the rest of my hair. Let's see if this actually works. I am pulling my hair. Let me hold my neck straight, and I'm pulling my hair as best as I can. You can see. It's just there. Okay. I'm pulling this hair very hard, so I'm just gonna mark it right there. Okay, so let me just braid this section up. So let's go and get our ingredients together, and we'll be back to apply it to our hair. For the first step, you need some eggs. I'm using 4 eggs because my hair is very thick. You can use less. You need some extra virgin olive oil, some measuring spoon for your oil, something to whisk your egg up, and to avoid less mess, I'm using an applicator butter with the long nozzle so that I can be able to apply this treatment to my scalp and my hair. For the 4 eggs, I'm using 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So just add your oil to your eggs and then blend them together properly. And then I will transfer it into my applicator butter. When you are applying this treatment to your hair, make sure you get your entire hair and your scalp. Apply it to your scalp and also massage it in properly. As you know, our hair grows from our scalp, so it is good for you to also make sure you get your scalp. And after that, you need to massage it in. So eggs is rich in protein, fatty acids, vitamin A, D, and E. Egg and olive oil promotes hair growth and thickness of your hair. It treats dry and flaky scalp, and it also reduces frizz. So this is a great treatment that you can do to your hair once a month or once every 2 months. Just make sure that you are applying this to your scalp as well. I keep pressing on that and then massage it in properly. Massaging your scalp circulate blood flow, which leads to hair growth. When you're done massaging your treatment into your hair, you have to wrap it up with a cling wrap. So I wrap it up and then I also added 2 plastic bags over it to make sure that I trap all the heat in. From the direction that I read, you're supposed to leave the eggs on your hair anywhere between 4 to 8 hours. I put mine in around 11:30. It is now 6:40, so that past 7 hours. So that's good. I'm now going to rinse this out and then I will go in to the second step. For the second step, you just need some melted coconut oil. Avoid melting your coconut oil into the microwave. You can just use hot water. I'm now going to go in with my melted coconut oil. I will apply this on my entire hair and my scalp and massage it in. And then I'm going to sleep with this on until tomorrow morning around 11 o'clock. I will rinse it out and we can do the length check. So that's our braider section. We still have it. I'm just going to apply the coconut oil into my entire hair and my scalp and massage it in. And we're gonna sleep with this on. So I'm done applying the coconut oil to my entire hair and scalp. I also went in with my scalp massager for about 10 minutes. So for the second step, we're going to do the same again. We're going to wrap our hair with the cling wrap. And then I also went in with 2 plastic bags again for me to trap the heat as much as I can. Okay, so today is the next morning. I just rinsed my hair out, rinsed the coconut oil out from my hair. It was very difficult last night because this kept on dripping down all over. I had to lay a towel down on my pillowcase, and I also just wrapped this around my hair, and that helped a bit. So this is our 2 braider section from yesterday. This is what we're going to unravel and do the length check. Oh wow. Does this actually work? Wait, let me try this section too and see. Let me bring it to the camera. Wow. This actually work, guys. I did not believe this at all, but it worked. It worked. I'm surprised. I don't know if because the hair is, I don't understand how is that possible, how you can grow a hair overnight. I doubt that from the beginning, but look. Okay, so I'm gonna continue hunting and testing out stuff, and I will present it to you guys. I am so shocked. I am so very much shocked. Since this work, I think this is something that you can do once a month or once every 2 months. I won't advise you to do it all the time because number one, your hair will get used to it, and number two, egg is protein, so that will be too much protein in your hair, and all the hair you grow is all just gonna break out. So if you guys love to give this a try, and let me know if it worked for you too, because I actually did doubt this yesterday, and I even discussed it with my husband, and he was like, that's not possible. And I told him, I know this is not possible, but I just want to prove them wrong. But it actually did work. Okay, so I'm going to deep condition my hair so that I can put my moisture back in my hair with my Fenugreek deep conditioner. If you love this video, please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.